Diet Expert has revealed the 6 best foods to eat to get rid of belly fat. And the Diet Guru has also revealed the one drink that could also help blast fat. The secret is to choose a cup of green tea instead of any other drinks. If you want to banish belly fat, try swapping your regular drink for a cup of green tea. Just 1 cup can increase the antioxidants in your blood, called catechins. The most important one of these is epigallocatechin gallate, a substance that can boost metabolism. Watch full video, because we are sharing 6 foods, which you have to incorporate into a slimming diet. Whole wheat foods. Fiber is vital to ensuring your digestive system is working as it should. The easiest change you can make to get more fiber in your diet is switching your usual carbohydrates to whole wheat foods. Think brown bread, whole grain pasta and rice, as well as oats, barley and rye. Avocado. As well as being delicious, avocados are a great source of good fats. This food is rich in monounsaturated fat, which studies have shown can help control blood sugar and target visceral fat, which sits deep in the abdomen and has been linked to an increased risk of diabetes. Nuts. Another food group that is full of good fats. People who snack on nuts could have a lower amount of belly fat than those who choose traditional carb-based snacks, according to a 2015 study. Eggs. Avoid reaching for unhealthy belly-expanding snacks by filling up on high-protein foods. Eggs are the perfect high-protein breakfast food, and have been linked to weight loss and reduced belly fat. Bananas. This superfruit is packed full of vitamins. Bananas contain magnesium and potassium, which have been shown to offset the effects of salty processed foods that can often cause bloating. Yogurt. Another bloat-busting superfood. Yogurt encourages the growth of healthy bacteria in your gut, helping to banish bad bacteria which can cause a bloated belly.